Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly access the particular folder or file present in Registry editor program of Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for Registry editor, and on the first list you will see the name. Just click on it. Now you will see the Registry editor program. So now say most probably what we used to do to access the particular folder or file present inside our respective folder, we used to click on this left arrow icon and we keep clicking on the respective icons, right? So say I want to directly access one folder, say this folder at top. So you can see here on the above one address bar is appearing. So what you need to do is just completely select it and just right mouse click on it, and you can directly cut or copy whatever you want to do. Say I'll just cut it, and now say let me reset it to the default one, and now say I want to access it directly. What I need to do is just click on this address bar and just right mouse click and just click on paste, and now on your computer keyboard just hit enter. Voila, now you can directly access the particular folder or file present in the Registry editor program of Windows PC. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.